Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1999 Saleen Mustang. It's number 242. Brand new brakes and tires all the way around. Other than that, it's pretty original. So it's going to be priced to sell. It drives great. 35th anniversary Saleen. About 130 photos of it. Check those out on the website. Period GTO spoiler on the roof. Also GTO rain guards. Interior's black. Getting a little washed out from the sun. Showing 49,124 miles. .6 liter under the hood. It's all stock. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. And you can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.